The immune system's main function is to help the body fight infections. It is composed of organs and tissue that limit growth of bacteria. The structure of the immune system is composed of lymphoid organs. The organs are home to small white blood cells, which are very important in fighting infection by attacking incoming germs. T cells are lymphocytes that mature in the thymus. Later, they go to other tissues. B cells are responsible for making antibodies that identify pathogens. There are 5 main organs involved: the thymus, tonsils, spleen, lymph nodes, and bone marrow. They all work together to help fight off viruses that try to invade the body. The thymus is responsible for the development of T cells, which are important white blood cells. The tonsils prevent germs from entering the mouth or nose. The spleen is vital to the production of white blood cells and antibodies. The lymph nodes contain immune cells that fight infection by attacking germs in the lymph fluid. Lastly, the bone marrow produces all blood cells and white blood cells that are necessary for the immune system to function. The main purpose of the integumentary system is to protect the body from the outside world by acting as a barrier. It also retains body fluids, regulates body temperature, and absorbs vitamin D from the sun. The integumentary system is mostly made up of skin. It is separated into 3 main layers. On the surface is the epidermis, which is thin and is made up of keratinocytes, melanocytes, and Langerhans cells. Below the epidermis is the dermis, which is made up of connective tissue. It contains many nerves, sweat and oil glands, and blood vessels. It also contains hair follicles where hair sprouts up from. The last layer is the hypodermis that is made up of connective tissue and fat. The nail is made up of hardened keratinocytes, which has 3 parts: the root, the body, and the free edge. The integumentary system has only one large organ, the skin, although it does have 4 essential components as well: the hair, nails, sweat and oil glands, and nerves. The skin is responsible for protecting the body, regulating body temperature, and touch. The sweat glands releases water to the surface of the skin and helps cool the body down. The oil gland secretes oil to lubricate the skin and hair. The nerve endings under the skin help sense pain, pressure, and temperature. The hair protects us from the sun and dust particles. The nails are responsible for protecting the sensitive tips of fingers and toes. Both systems help protect the body from infection. The integumentary system has skin that blocks germs from entering the body. The immune system targets and kills the viruses and germs that do penetrate through. The skin is one of the first defense mechanisms in your immune system. Immune cells, or the Langerhans cells, live in the epidermis of the skin that detect and fight pathogens that attempt to enter the body. If pathogens do enter the body, the white blood cells of the immune system are ready to fight and kill the intruding virus. 2 diseases that greatly impact the immune system are AIDS, or acquired immune deficiency syndrome, and lupus. AIDS is a condition where HIVs, or human immunodeficiency virus, attacks your immune system and kills vital T cells. Lupus is a disease where your immune system attacks your own body and causes inflammation in the skin. 2 diseases that affect the integumentary system are eczema and psoriasis. Eczema is a type of dermatitis where areas of the skin become inflamed and cause bleeding blisters. Psoriasis causes a buildup of extra skin cells on the surface of the skin, which forms thick, dry, and red patches.